video, I want to make a juice using cayenne pepper. This is a lemonade juice. This is garlic, and this is lemon, 2 of them. I'll put it inside here, and this is orange, about 1.5 cups of this, and then lastly you can have ginger. So you mix all of them inside here. This is a juicer, and so I want to start pressing it on. Then it will start producing the juice. All the residue will go this side. The juice will come this side. So when I'm ready to open the juice to get out, so I'll just put it like this. You see that? And I also wait for it to accumulate. Okay? Wait a little bit in intervals, then we open. Oh, good. Very good. You see it's coming out. Very nice. And then after that, I will show you later on. Now, what we have, a lemonade called anti-flu lemonade, especially influenza, and when you have symptoms like headache, some cold, some coughing, some congested chest, all these things is able to relieve that within some few days. Okay? All right. So we want to add some some honey, this lemonade, because honey is part of the ingredient. And what I did not say, that you also put the pills themselves. They have some, they elevate some effects of vitamin C also. And so I want to put 1 teaspoonful of this honey. And cayenne, and I add also cayenne pepper. I want to remove this so that I just want to put it in 1 spoon. Okay. And then after this, now you can drink. Okay? Yeah, after this you can now drink.